Hey everybody, I hope my Glow Tarts are doing well today. Well, we have got 3 different variations of the May BoxyCharm box. So I'm going to go through all the spoilers with you, and I'll show you the variations also. So there have been 3 more spoilers that has been revealed within just showing these 3 variations, and the Dose of Colors lip product has been confirmed. So we'll just go over everything that I got right here, and then meanwhile I'm going to be showing you the 3 variations right here. That way you can get a good look at them, and then I'll go over and with all the spoilers. So the first thing that you're going to get in your box is either going to be the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser or the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. Then the second thing that you're going to be getting in your box is going to be either Alamore Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, and there is 3 different ones, or you will get a Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick. The third thing you will be getting in your box is, of course, the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and I believe there is 2 different shades of this. And then the fourth thing is either going to be a Dose of Colors lip product, or I think this is pronounced Oraza, I believe, Beauty Lip Gloss. I'm not sure. Probably butchered that again. And then the fifth thing you will get in the box is the Bodyography Eye Pencil or the Pure Lash Curler. So these are going to be all the items, and again, there was 3 variations of the box. There might be more than that, who knows, but make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. And also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Doesn't really matter as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. And one more thing before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.